Don't ever leave. That is what you asked of me. Do you know what it means when you plead? Don't you ever leave. That is what you said to me. Do you know what that can do to someone like me? You won't do us no good. You won't do us no good. It won't do us no good. It won't do us no good. I have no plan to be anywhere else but here, or to become someone that leaves. I didn't even know there was an exit there, darling. Don't you try to capture me. It won't do us no good. 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 I am here now. I am right here by your side. I lay my hand on the couch next to you. You can hold it if you would like to. It will do you good.